left that alone. Dog cat me name, brother, and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never happen.
Yeah?
And
Yes.
every nation you cook that.
No, sir. But I cook for whole heap of people.
You ever cook dog?
No, brother.
So we have a Chinese brethren and they invite you for Christmas dinner one Christmas. And when you go and carry 3 plates of food for the table. You have to know which one of them are dog.
Yeah?
You can't know which one of them are dog, you know.
Oh,
Me I go ask him what kind of meal we are going to have today.
where?
Yeah.
Me?
And him not supposed to afraid to tell me what kind of meal me I go have today. Either camel or elephant or dog. And me will make him know, say, well, we not do dog. So you have to go prepare something else for we. But how them cook dog?
Me don't know about that.
Dog meat, fried,
Then,
straight, you know.
then say them boil this, scally off or something like that.
Yeah, man, you have to cook it with vodka. Keep down the fried. Bungo, black one. Him cook dog. Yeah, him cook dog.
So what you do? You taste it?
Me what? Me not do dog.
You don't
Me
know.
know dog cook. Yeah. Yeah, man. Brown store, scabbage, curry dog, anywhere you want it, brother. Yeah, man. Chinese people favorite meal, you know.
Dog.
Yeah. Me could have be a chef for Chinese.
How you know if you cook them meal?
Yeah. Right now, me no want cook for them. Because them not rate it.
Why?
No, them not rate Jamaica. Them come here for use and abuse we. And take our strength, take away the whole of our little heritage from we. And go back for them country. When them go back, them rich and we poor. You understand me? Them not add nothing to this, you know. Them only take away from this, you know. You notice? Where them add to this?
None of them no make a house here, you know.
They make
Road. Road.
Road, them get paid for make road, yeah, man.
They get paid.
Them a volunteer make road.
They can make house but they not make here.
Right now, them only come and take away little contractor, them were there. Food.
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, you mean nothing wrong with it? Right now, we need some more Jamaican. We just get educated where we can be. We own a doctor, we own a nurse, we own an engineer, we own a everything, brother. We don't need no Chinese people who excellent more than Jamaican. Who skill are we? And right now in a free country, the benefit where them are get me and you not get, you know. The harassment where me and you are get, them not get, you know. Remember, you know, cause you know, how much people are going to stop Chinese people them on road now, dig up cars, search them from head to foot, ask them for war or not with all with them not have. You understand me?
But
how much police are going to do that?
Chinese people now broke the rule.
What do you mean?
Them go in before 9 o'clock, you know.
Not all of them.
Not
You
all
never
of
see
them.
them pan curfew was out the road.
Yeah.
Chinese people now broke the rule.
Yeah, man.
Now Jamaica
Them
next
carry
year road after
contraband too.
hours.
Them
Yeah.
the most fake and knockoff.
Yeah.
Against the law.
How much
we don't
fake
say
them
no
bring in
more
our
fake and
country.
knockoff. And for them name that.
Well, the government target that, you know.
But these are people them will work with rules and regulations.
Well, me tell squaddy them say, like how you know I search with some keenly.
Yeah.
Make sure you know I search everybody.
yes.
Right.
Cause who no trust that much to say him nah do. Since you no trust me then, cause me that tell myself say, me I tell the youth them not to do. So if me I go tell you say bossy, me no have nothing, you know, against the law. You no need to give me no hard time on the road like that. You understand me?
Yeah,
You search all me car, weed. When me can't have against the law, then since me I preach so many to the youth them already. Say youth
Yeah.
me want to leave certain things. Tread the right road, leave what things against the law alone.
Yeah.
Do what that is right, brother?
Yeah.
So you think me should have not trod now with a set of youth with this heap of things against the law?
No, but here with Bakra now. Bakra work two-sided, you
So
know.
same like how them don't trust me, don't
Yeah.
trust others.
Right.
And that me I
Because
say.
here where them a look pan and I say, you know, cat cannot preach the thing them
And I do it.
and I do it.
Me not.
So make we check cat car if you have any contraband.
Me
in
no
that car.
have none. Me no have none of them something they are travel with.
Right,
Just me
because
clean,
here-
pure heart and mine and my brethren them and my team. We are trad. So you will see me I go down the road, me and my team. One another car or one, two more car back of me. And me and them are trad. No man no have what we not fi have. You understand me, Brooksy?
Yes, boy.
Otherwise, me not trad with you.
That's a true cat, but here and
Where
now,
me and you walk up?
Police are going to tell himself, say, cat a general, cat a preach the things them, but he can't have contraband in a car.
Me no
And
deal
to
with
him a tell you,
contraband.
them
Me
say
no
not do
deal with
this
them
and not
something
do
there.
that. Make we check cat.
Ungo
Now,
thing
probably
might
him a
catch
talk
me,
the
brother.
things them, and him a the big man where we are, sir.
Ungo thing might catch
like
me,
that,
see,
eh?
Jerry.
That's a police
Me will
check, you
go
know.
out there. Because you know, me will left Portland this morning, you know. So me I got Mandeville. You know, so me end up reach far on Mandeville. Because the works for me I do, me will left, so me I got Hectares River and me reach St. Thomas. Understand me, brother? We
Right.
up there, we up at St. Thomas, let me reach.
Yeah.
So you find so the work for me and the brother, so you want know more time the hours might catch me.
A road.
Coming back in, not somewhere I lay.
Right.
You understand
But
me?
sketch you coming from
Coming
St. Thomas.
from St. Thomas, so me I travel
Yeah.
from road.
So when you coming in a Portland, you pass the curfew time.
All right.
And you're running at them boy.
All right.
Yeah.
Me I explain myself, me no have a problem
Right,
with the
you walk
police.
now.
We look for where them I look for, but at the same time, me fully explain myself, brother.
Yeah.
Me not deal with nothing wrong.
Yes.
You understand me?
Right.
So therefore, if you're gonna charge me to breach the law at the curfew,
Yeah.
that's the charge where you think you will have against me.
Yes.
Me no have nothing more for you to charge me for.
Yeah, because only that they
So
can
you
charge you
know,
for.
hold up my time now.
Again, you know?
No, them can't charge me for burning us.
No.
Right now.
So that I know nothing.
Hear what me want to
And
ask
I
you,
just
Jack.
weed and something we deal with.
Whether you want woman a call on the phone and say you want cat name and a number. You want cat for me, for you, and Jerry and proper name and number.
Yeah.
Because she want call we if you send something for we. So you have to go send your name to her with your phone number.
But you know, the police them not take my name for when I uptown and I square there.
Yes.
Yeah. And they not give me back and they not give me no date when we come back for.
You don't have a name right now.
No, right now me no have no name. I just bother cat me right name police gone with it. So them a take it. So me I say they know me I go do without my name when me I go get back my name. Them say them have to take right name. I say well they not take your boss. That mean to say me can't do nothing now.
So when them plan to get back.
Them not tell me.
But that
I
lady,
want back my one too, you know.
Well, me
Alright.
look like you, not look like you want back
I
for
want
you.
back my one, so.
But me want
But
back
through
my
your
name.
big man, me check say them talk to you and tell you what is what.
Them not
already.
tell me nothing. Them
but
just
when the
take
police
me
them
name.
me tell you and Jerry, if you give them no name. Them never tell you no when you go and get back no
No,
name.
them never tell me that.
Well, we're not trouble here now because this lady wants to send something for you and you don't have no name.
No name, brother. Right?
Them have to go send it to you. Because you
Yeah.
still have fear name.
Yeah,
you
because
know,
me never did it. Me never give police my name that
No.
night because me never did it.
Right.
Okay. So uno without name right now.
Without
so I
name.
just Jeremy have to say, I'm bad at cat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a
Okay.
right name,
So you don't have your right name. Me there for station.
Yeah.
I police
It's alright.
book.
It's alright. And that me want.
So me just ask them please if them could have just take it out and make me get back my name.
Yeah.
When me can go on with my business because it has slow up my business.
Yeah, because you don't have your name
You don't have
right
my
now.
name.
True.
More than want to back boss them, me I tell you now. Yeah man, and me a big up my artist friend in a prodigal, you know. Anyway, God then I world, you don't know. Big up yourself, brother. You don't know one life I say here. Yeah man. Right over I globe, Brooks, all over I globe. We just clean and pure.
Right.
We not do nothing against the law.
Me not believe in it.
Nothing at all, me not do.
Right
Me
now,
not
Cap.
travel with you, no.
Me no want a outlaw friend, you know.
No. No, Batman friend.
Me do a them in a bad man myself already.
And can defend
Me
myself.
no want no bad man friend. Yeah, me a bad man myself. Yeah.
Brother. Man, you have my number too, you know.
Them have your number too?
Oh, you mean if you
Yeah,
have
them
my
did
phone
take
number?
mine, you know.
Alright.
Yeah,
Right
but
now,
me still can't
anybody,
give out the number, but the name my problem.
no, but anybody a call me now can go get me.
The police, I go get them out. Okay?
Yeah, then take member, tell the people them.
So you know it's like a fish out of water right now.
Yeah, call my phone number, then take down with it. Me don't know when me I go get back even my number. Much
Remember
less.
if them they take my number, but me know them take my name.
They take my number.
We're not salt bad.
Yeah,
So when they ask you for to give them your name,
name.
oh,
And when you have my license,
You
you
still
say
are.
you give him your name. So you give your name. Yeah.
this time me dey have my license though.
Well, you did
So
that.
good.
Yeah, police can't no bother target me, you know.
Good thing you never left your name.
Cause me not see the reason.
Good thing you never left your name.
Right now, me not see reason for no police try target me and my team. Just know, say, things do crack up when me might go in. Little late-ish. Yeah, but
And no, too late.
no, I don't like me out there. I create no massacre.
No.
Me out there try do good work for my country.
Yeah.
To see if we can still put Jamaica on one another top of level.
Yes.
You understand me, brother? And I like me out there try to hold down Jamaica out there, kill people.
And you don't have no contraband in your car.
No, man, we not travel with them something there, brother. We not travel with them
in
something.
a car when we are going.
Weed.
Yeah.
Scissor.
And food,
Yeah.
and drinks,
Yeah.
yeah. And
Just that.
people,
Just
yeah,
them we
them
travel
that we travel with.
No gun,
We
no knife, no
Rizla.
nothing against the
Never
law.
No bogus
Never
money,
No,
no nothing
no,
like
no,
them
no,
there.
So you say
No
police don't have no
wanted
right to
man.
stop you up on the road and
No
want to
man,
search
you,
for
them
you.
can't stop me and we have a reason.
But they don't want supposed to want to search.
Web search for what? I'm a private business and no one see. Cause me no have nothing against law.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, me will never have none.
Definitely.
You understand me, Brooks? Me will never have nothing
Yeah,
against the law. So if you no hear me talking today, nothing can go catch me with it tomorrow. Cause you will never. Me not go have none, brother, when me I do with it. Anything when me have supposed to uprun.
And
The
me
law
have
know
anywhere
about
with
it,
you.
yeah.
Yeah, legal.
Yeah, legal, like how me have my money, when me
Yeah.
work. Honest,
Yeah.
where them know say I work me
Yeah.
honest money for.
And illegal.
It's legal.
Them no bogus.
Right,
Them
brother.
no counterfeit.
That's what me I talk
Yeah,
about.
so-
Yeah. Yeah, man, me
You
no
see the
have no fuckery I do,
antagonization
man.
with you and police for chewing up them.
No,
Police
me no
should
see
not
wait
antagonize a
for.
man like you.
Me no see wait for. Me no pressure the
When me
police.
have
Me no
to
give
tell
police no
say,
trouble.
Try give back cat him name.
Yeah, man, me I go want it back.
Yeah, try give back cat
My
him.
name useful, my name I use hard all about everywhere.
Yes.
And if we want somebody have it, and we can't get it to use all that low.
And police have your station so long.
Me want it back. Yeah, man. I want
So
it
when them
back.
say if them catch you after the curfew hours again, what go happen?
Them not tell we,
Oh.
but them take me. So
Well,
maybe,
that's sticky.
maybe at that time we are going to get back with name.
When they catch you again,
Yeah.
because you have to go carry your name a court, you know.
Yeah. That time we are going to get it back.
That's right, yeah.
I mean, now I tell them, say them now go catch me. Nah, me a set up for them catch me, cause the works where me a do, will make me end up late again.
All right.
You understand me, brother? And I
Yeah.
like a something where me I go sit down up on my yard and I go say me I go plan for late pan the police them tonight again. That will never happen. You understand me, brother? Me not depend that.
But
Me
most
will
likely, then we catch
The
you late
hours will
again.
catch me up again.
Yeah, because you have to do road.
You understand me? So you hear what me ask me say? Anything or anything, if me have to go pay the judge, me I go pay the judge.
Yeah.
You understand me? And if me have to go do the time, me I go do the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I just say go on. Me I go explain to the judge to you know.
Yes.
And make him know definitely what cause all of this.
Because no be explanation, you know.
That
So you
me I
can
go do.
explain yourself.
Yeah,
you suppose
me I
you
go
can
explain
get some
myself
form of
to the
leniency.
judge. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
pay, you pay.
Yeah, man. So if me I know nothing in my country, just tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah, what me I do not relevant. So me can't go to jail for it. So me no do it then. Alright. Me can't fight you no.
No.
Me can't push you no down, me can't go around you no.
No.
Me have to just work with you no.
Yes.
So if me I do a little something and me run over it, me don't need to get that little pressure.
Yeah.
Me don't need to get that pressure never. None at all.
I know that we're not perfect yet.
Perfect what? Look how much police get caught up with drugs.
And in a bunkering and
Hey.
bunkering.
And me tell them, say me can't understand because police now get enough money.
True.
So we have to do and look for something extra. Why me not dey tell them say police we get millionaire for that? You understand me, brother? Yeah, him not get enough money. Remember, police are risk him life and night to do this work to protect we, you know.
Yeah.
So police will get good pay, don't it?
Of course, we believe in that.
So why police not believe in
Police
my
and
work?
teacher fi get the most money in any country.
Alright.
Police deal with security and teacher deal with education.
Yeah, man.
So them fi
make
get
them
the
what them
most
fi
pay
get.
in
Yeah.
the
The doctor
country.
them
Him
too.
come after.
Doctor kill no for it.
He-
Oh,
him
No,
come
doctor deal
next.
with sick, brother.
Help.
you mean?
Yes.
No for with doctor we sell.
But education and security goes a far way.
Oh, you mean? No for with doctor we
You know,
sell,
say nothing
brother.
wrong with fit deal with health,
Yeah.
you know, 'cause health is a must, you know.
Oh, you mean?
But we say doctor them come third
We have put doctor in front.
Third.
in front of police and teacher.
Not for them, yeah.
No.
If you're
no.
not a teacher, you
Mama.
have doctor. Or you bring a doctor without teacher.
A
Yeah.
teacher teach doctor, you know.
And
Yeah.
police trainer.
And police, you know. So teacher come first and police come after.
Yeah, the police come
Where we can live and live a comfortable life in our
Yeah,
country.
The police come out. And I must be the doctor.
Oh, the
Me
doctor.
no wrong your still. That's
Oh,
your
the doctor.
opinion. Good opinion. Because health is very important. Right. So teacher
And I doctor give me health, you know.
and then police.
You think I doctor give me help?
So all the while you sick, you have to run God doctor. We are run God doctor. for you.
Depends on what do me. That's how when me not know what do me.
The doctor help you with your
I
health.
will for time me doctor myself, you know.
Doctor help
But
you
when
with your
you talk about the time
How
when the
much
doctor
man
feel
never
you,
go one doctor yet? But still him need little security
get
when him
quicker.
at places.
No,
Don't
sir.
it?
No,
Of course. Him still need little security when him at places
The
and
man
him,
when a guy
him
doctor,
never
he
visit
get
a doctor yet. Dead which quicker, you dead left him. I don't believe.
Oh, you
Never
mean?
go on a
You
doctor
have
yet.
enough countryman when they
No
go
doctor never eat a money
And the
off
whole
of
and
someone
not
yet.
nothing.
And the first
Oh, you
person
mean?
there.
So
A
you
pushing
say,
drink.
Yeah.
The man them in the hills live longer than the man them.
Of course.
Not really all
Most
of them.
likely. Some of them.
Most
live
of the man
longer.
them in the hills drink the natural roots.
Yeah, and natural food.
Natural food. So you
Yeah,
find-
natural water.
You know, you me tell you a long time, say the food that kill we are.
Yeah, man.
This artificial food them where them a make up.
And you see the,
So
you
the
see
more
the
them
energy,
make up, the more we did have.
the energy in
Check
the
it out,
country,
man.
a different energy from in the city, you know.
What you mean?
I be a pollution you inhale when you're in a city
Yeah.
at the time, brother. All of them things, the carbon that will come out of them vehicles, you inhale, you know.
A real thing, man.
All of them bus pit and then drain water and then dirty thinking smell, you know, you're going at you know.
And then fire will burn and the dog.
Yeah, the
so
man,
the
they will
man
live
in
in
the
the jungle
hills.
in the hills, brother.
Have a
They not
better
inhale
health. Him
anything.
don't even
Yeah.
need to go on a doctor.
No.
We not go a doctor for nothing. No
Can I drink no water with chlorine going on?
Alright.
Me and you now get spring water to drink. We have to buy and probably then put something in the still.
Alright.
So the man, when
Yeah,
they
man,
they
that's
will drink river water, spring water. That's how we then tell we, man. Where we live,
Yeah.
can we go for spring?
Yeah,
But that we
we
sell in
live
a
for
supermarket,
country.
no natural again. Can't natural anymore. Alright. So when me you go for push water and take up some water, definitely. Look how you look. Eh? Look how you look clean and nice.
Natural.
Eh?
Yeah.
Natural. You have
Black
some people
and
where
pure,
you can
yeah.
see them, they look whole and bleach out and
Young
some part of
and
the
youth
skin
and
patchy
you.
patchy and something and young and you.
True.
Because to the environment where him live in, as in wake up morning time, I smell the dump. I must smell for your toilet, for your pit. You must smell the drain around the back and
You ever
house.
live near Riverton?
Eh?
No, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. When me live, me can smell the river.
Alright.
Yeah.
And that's
So
not good for
far,
your
So no better, and no
Spanish
better
town to
something this now.
environment.
This round now.
Yes.
Yeah. But when I say no, brother, we are get some high grade from what year now. You know? Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
I'm the place, man.
You remember the place, the man?
Yeah,
who get
man.
high grade
Yeah,
from,
man.
Everything.
African, man.
Yeah.
Big up that place, the man, African, man. And there we go buy grades, man. And we not stop, brother.
Yeah.
Remember, good no, man. Bad, cat said, man. Whenever time, always I go be there.
Yeah, man.
Here. Remember, good no,
And
man.
you Jamaica want a good job.
Yeah, man, and big up all the youth them who work at African
Yeah.
same way. You see me, I say general.
Sharp,
Man, big
man,
up
with
on
red
yourself. Yeah, man.
Myself.
Yeah, man, I agree
I
to say
agree
no, man,
with
for
man.
life, man. Remember good no man. So Crawford build one high grade for me like now too.
Marketplace,
Yeah
you
man,
find
for
it.
real man.
A marketplace at Kingston, you find it.
Alright.
Yeah, marketplace, man.
I forward back the Shirley man, go get some more high grade brother. Right now I'm in the hills with it. On the riverside. I go and hold a vice bun somewhere, drink a cold. Right now, I tell people, say this is a must, brother. Because right now, I know go take up 2 stone and create this. You understand me, Brooksy?
Yeah.
This is an inbound thing. We're born in a border cat long time.
Of course.
Long time.
Respect to all the spotlight and the bright light that forward in my life. That's what I say, brother.
Enough man who
Yeah,
don't know
man,
about
but-
that cat who don't know say that barn in a you.
Yeah,
They feel like a hot barn
thing,
cat
brother.
happening thing.
Me adapt from nobody, man. If me adapt, you know, I must from my mother or my father, you know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Barn
but-
cat no adapt nothing, man.
Nah, man, that's
Anything
something
where you hear
born
man
in
do,
me,
man.
man.
And where he in him front in
Yeah,
you.
man.
The
From
man-
a little bit, man,
The
me
man
just
don't put
natural
on
like
pan
that,
in
man.
talking.
Natural.
So the man
Yeah,
talk.
man.
Yeah,
Me I go anywhere, me and my friend them, everybody always have a joy with when me talk, when me and them a reason. I see them thing. A man I go tell me the last time, a man tell me say, you know, that around 2014, a man tell me say, cat, you know, say, me rather sit down and listen to you when you tell me the movie more when you sit down and watch.
and I watch it. Alright.
Believe you
Man,
me,
you
I
to
saw
come
man
sit down
look
in
for
front
me
of me
and
and
tell
listen
me,
to
say,
me
brother,
tell them
say,
movie, you
brother,
know.
me rather when you tell me the movie more.
Yeah,
when you
man.
watch.
Come on, tell me
I
talk.
say,
The movie
brother,
sweet
cause
and
you
how
know,
we
me
watch
watch
it.
the movie, I'm this
Yeah.
the part them when me watch. And like I'm pretty sense from them, I can tell you it just like how the movie act, brother.
Yeah, man. The
You
next
understand
morning
me?
or
Like
the
a you
next day.
story.
You know, so me know so me
Yeah.
have to come and move it to brother in a real life, man. You see what I say, man? Because if you can't so great, we can tell a man the movie more
From the
than how
start.
him sit down and
Yeah.
watch it. You know, must can go up move it.
Because we used to
Then
go
what?
and show a Friday night time. We used to
Alright.
go a movie, tape,
Yeah.
and go a Delmar theater. Them time that we go watch karate show, kung fu, all type of show. Alright, you see the next morning when we come from show last night, Saturday morning, Cat can tell you everything we're going in a movie, you know.
Yeah, man.
You can't just sit down in front of Cat and Cat and tell you the movie from the start.
Me
till
never
the
tell
end.
myself so me so great in a
And the
jail.
man just tell you everything where you see
Who
last
tell
night,
me
you
how
know.
great me is now?
Hold
you know?
on there. No disrespect. Look, see. You know like you sit down pan in a brother.
I want me sit down, pan.
You know like you sit down pan, man.
No one stone,
But I know you want to boast so all fire stone them.
you know hot,
bonfire.
Jerry.
But then sell stone them a bonfire Brooksy where you see people use a
Fi-
river stone.
Yeah, if you cook.
Cook pan.
Yeah.
You know if you sit down pan it.
That I if you hot.
Wame.
What I
Wame.
mean you we catch boast.
Me can't
Catch
catch
what?
nothing, no man.
Hey,
Catch
no
what?
catch.
Like me just a tell you, say me no catch nothing, man. Me no catch up
Not
nothing.
true, Cat, I tell you.
Me
Jerry.
no take up nothing, brother.
No, me comfortable
Me no
with that
add
big
up
fire
nothing.
stone, yeah.
Stick, man.
No,
Catch
Jerry.
up.
No, me pen
Anything where they pan the
and
stone,
sit
we
down.
left it there, man.
That
Yeah,
look
man.
good,
Me
man.
can't
That
catch
look
up.
good.
So you da
No,
catch
no,
up at the
Jerry.
stone, up?
I know
Catch
we
up
have
where
a
stone
catch
up now?
I know we have a catch up.
Me nah catch up
But
nothing up on a
we gear,
stone.
we gear
He
that.
nah give me nothing. Me no
Ask
wanna-
anybody then.
Oh.
Ask anybody. Ask anybody
He
then.
can't
Jerry.
give me.
Can't, he can't
Oh, we
gear.
talk about him.
Hey.
Oh, we talk about
Me
him.
and
Tell
Leo.
me.
He
Tell
not
me
go
now.
gear. He not go gear now, brother.
Tell me, oh, we talk about give me when.
We
Me,
deal
no
with-
matter when. Oh, we
deal-
talk about give me.
He deliver up.
Oh,
Jerry.
oh.
Jerry.
Cat, he not go come now.
Nothing
I
nah
bet
for
he
the
develop.
stone, nah coming at me,
He
and it nah
develop on you.
come from me.
He can
Oh,
develop on you.
oh, oh. Must me pants have a dirty up on the stone.
Alright.
Wah.
Me I tell you.
Wah. Tell me what me I go catch now.
Ask the people. That's no good for you.
Nobody
You
can
can't
tell
catch
me
nothing.
nothing, Brooks. Me can't catch up nothing.
Catch up what, Cat?
Yeah, catch
Them
up
look
what?
from where sit down on fire stone. From where
Hey, catch up what? Me a
Hey.
boss a tone, man. Me no born with boss.
Hey.
Hey, catch
Yeah,
up
me
what?
catch you.
Catch
You say that no
I
good
catch
for you,
people,
brother.
catch bossing.
That
Me
good
no
for you.
catch up
Nobody no
nothing,
catch
Jerry.
bossing.
That no good for you, brother.
You
Me I
can't
tell
catch up something off of that, Jerry?
Me no know. That's why me not sit down pan it.
Oh, we are going to catch up something off ice
Me
stone.
no
Tell me
first
now.
thing me no see
Tell
down.
me, oh, you are going to catch up something off ice stone. Me want to know.
First
No,
time
no,
people
no.
never tell her that.
Oh, yeah, go catch it up. Me want to know them tell me that.
develop
Me never
that
get the
pan
time
you.
to ask them that.
It
Because
develop
them did
pan
so
you.
big army, I'm afraid of them.
It
No, me
develop.
can't ask you, you tell me
It
now.
develop on your brother.
What develop?
All
What?
Firestone, man.
What?
You don't know that?
Fire go develop in me. Stone I go develop in me.
When me tell you, me never tell you about fire and stone.
Oh, me I go catch something from the stone.
All I got to
Pile.
Oh, me catch pile.
Nobody sitting on them stone.
Oh,
there.
me catch pile.
You never catch it yet. You never.
So, oh, me I go catch pile.
Ask the people them who catch it then. Or something.
Them born with them pile. Catch up what?
Brooks in a sit down on that.
Me I go ask you something.
You just don't want to use
Oh, you catch boss. Oh, people have boss.
No, boss, I when you live for
Because
weed,
boss no
man.
catching, you know.
I weird.
Boss
And
no
when you
catching.
strain,
Boss no fever, you know.
When you strain or...
So me I lift up this heavy stone.
never say I go lift you up.
Then if me no lift you up, me can't
And
strain.
of course, pile mix there.
Which part you catch pile?
When you sit down on them there.
Where part pan you catch it?
Me don't know because me never catch it.
Well, me nah go catch no
Then
pile.
me nah ask you, oh, me I go catch up
Me no
something
know.
from the stone.
Me don't know, ask the people them.
Yeah,
Oh,
one like
oh.
me a fish pot.
It's alright.
Me a net.
It's alright.
Fi catch something.
It's alright.
Me set a riverside.
It's alright then. Sit
So
down-
what me
sit
can
down-
catch
sit
up
down
there?
funny there now, sit down funny there now. After me I look up for you. Sit down
You
funny
go on
there.
like me a net.
Sit down funny then, Brooks. Sit down funny, man.
Then no day me sit
Because
pan
you don't
there.
believe in what people tell you.
I know everything all time people tell we are chewing up.
Alright, so you don't believe in a people.
Nah,
Me
me just want you
sit
tell
up
me,
and
Jerry.
stone
Oh, me I go catch
Me
up
no
something
believe
from
in
the
that.
stone. Oh, in which way?
Me not talk to two on the one time. You don't get me confused. Start me up like cold road, so me up like food.